So I got the piston on here with one of the circlips on. I got the other one waiting. Got my piston ring end gaps all at 120 degrees apart with nothing going straight below each other. Now I'm gonna put this other circlip in and then I'll get ready to put the cylinder on. This is how it looks afterwards. Got the cross hatch in there. It's all ready to go. And then you're gonna put your cylinder head gasket on, and you have to make sure that on the older years, this is a 1986, that you put that little rubber O-ring on the back right stud. That's what it calls for. Got the 2 dowel pins, and then we'll be ready to put the head on now. So I wasn't able to get the cam chain and the camshaft installation on video, but what you're gonna have to do is, without the camshaft in, you're gonna have to hold the camshaft sprocket in the chain inside the cylinder head like it's gonna be set up, and then from there, holding the sprocket, slide the camshaft through, and then from there, holding the cam sprocket and the camshaft together, forcing it down into its journals. This way you can put the nuts on and then crisscross and tighten them up. And that bottom cam chain tensioner bolt and the spring has to be in a position where the tension is the least. So you have to push down on the spring and then tighten that bottom bolt. And then once you're all finished, you release the bottom tensioner and that takes the tension off the spring. I hope that made sense. Let's go! Let's go! Daryl, you're the man! Phone died right there, but I was just taking the phone out and I was just videoing around the engine. It was nice and quiet. It sounded so good. I'm so happy with the engine. I'm gonna put it through some heat cycles. I'll take a video of the first ride, and I want to take another video when it's all done. I'm gonna get new graphics and I'm gonna get the seat nice and upholstered up. So there'll be one more video on the 85 XR100 rebuild, and that'll be it. Got it running.